Okay, now we will discuss about the 0 by 1 knapsack problem. In that we are having the n items. Each n items are having the weights. The weights are come from the W1, W2 to Wn. And each item is also having the sum of the values V1, V2 up to V of n. So what is the process of this knapsack problem? The knapsack problem means in that you are having the one bag or container. That container must contain the total capacity. And in that you are using some n items. You can fill the container with the items. At the time of the filling the items, in that you can apply the process. The knapsack problem is having the two process. The one is 0 by 1 or second one is the fraction part. In dynamic programming we already discussed about the fraction part process. In last classes we have discussed about the fraction part. That means either it will be filled or it will take the remaining fraction. But if you are taking the 0 by 1 knapsack problem, means in that either it will be existed or cannot be existed. If it is existed, at that time you can take the value 1. If it cannot be existed, it will take the value of 0. So that is the process you can follow for the 0 by 1 knapsack problem. So what is the process you can follow for this one? In that we have the n items. So in that case, how to do the process? Suppose if you are taking the I items, in that case, in that 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n, and the weights are Wi. So what is the process you want to do for this one? In the 0 by 1 knapsack problem, in that you must solve the problem in the optimal solution. In that you must solve the problem with the optimal solution. So in that case, you can take the value V of I comma j. So the V of I to be the value of optimal solution to the given instance. So what is this mean? So the value of the most valuable subset of the first I items that fit into the knapsack capacity J. The first I items are fit into the knapsack capacity J. So how can you do this problem? So we can divide all the subsets of the first items, that is knapsack capacity J, into the two categories. In that you must set these into the two categories. The first one is those that do not include the item. And second one is those that do. That means it will be included or cannot be included. So if you want to do this process, in that case you can follow the one of the equation. That means V of Ij equal to maximum of V of I minus 1. So what is the value of V of I minus 1 comma j? So in that we are taking the Ij. So maximum of V of I minus 1 comma j comma V of I plus, that means value of I plus V of, in that you can take the I minus 1 comma j minus Wi. So in that you can take what is the maximum value you are having. So that must be considered if j minus Wi greater than or equal to 0. If j minus Wi is greater than or equal to 0, then you can follow the formula V of I minus 1 comma j comma Va plus V of I minus 1 comma j minus Wa. So if j minus Wi less than 0, at that time you can simply use the V of I minus 1 comma j. So these are the two equations you can follow for taking this one. And if you want to do this 0 by 1 knapsack problem, in that you must also have the some of the initial conditions. The initial conditions are comes under the V of I comma 0 comma I is set to 0, and V of I comma 0 is set to 0. That means the rows, starting rows are set to 0 and the starting columns are set to 0. Okay, this is the initial condition you can follow. After that, you can fill the one table. So depending on the table, you can find out what is the final value it will be contained. So now I will give you the table for filling the all these tables with the given values. So now this is the table for solving the given exact problem. So in that 0 j minus wa j w and 0 I minus 1 I n. So in that initial conditions 0 comma j is 0 and I comma 0 is 0. So all rows, first rows and first columns are set to 0. Then you can calculate the values of v of I minus 1 comma j minus w or v of I minus 1 comma j. So in that we can calculate these values and you can fill this entire table. After filling the table, what is the last column we are having? Last square we are having, that square is written by the goal of the given problem. So that means this is the final value. Using the final value, you can identify the what are the items are existed and what are the items are not existed within that one. So this is the given table. Now I will explain the algorithm for this 0 by 1 knapsack problem. So now we will explain the knapsack algorithm. In knapsack you have the P, W, N, M. So in that if I take the P represent the profit, W represent the weight, N represent the number of items, M represent the total capacity of the knapsack. And initially for you can set these initial values are set to 0. For j equal to 0 to m, you can take the 0 c of 0 comma j equal to 0. And for I equal to 0 to n, you can set the c of I comma 0 equal to 0. So that means in that if I take the table, within the table you can set the first row and first columns are set to the zeros. After that you can fill the remaining values. If you are filling the remaining values at that time, you can take the for I equal 1 to n and j equal 1 to m. If w of I greater than j, if the weight of I is greater than j, then you cannot pick the item. So then you can set the c of I j equal to c of I minus 1 comma j. If it is cannot greater than j, then you can take this value. P of I equal to c of I minus 1 comma j minus wa is greater than c of I minus 1 comma j. If the condition is true, then you can set the c of I j. The c of I j equal to p of I plus cost of I minus 1 comma j minus wi. In that we can set this one. If the condition is false, then you can set the c of I j equal to c of I minus 1 comma j. So that means depending on the j minus wi value, in that you can set this either the condition 1 or condition 2. After completion of this process, next you can return the cost of n comma m. So this is the algorithm you can apply for the knapsack problem. So this is the one example of the knapsack problem. In that we are taking the 4 items and each item must have the some weight and the some value. The total capacity of the knapsack is 5. So using this data now we can solve the problem. If you want to solve the problem, first of all you can take the table. And the table you are taking the weight, value and B of ij. In that the capacity is 5. So in that case you can take all the 5 items. So in that you can take the initial values. If you want to start that one, first initially you can take the V of 0 comma j equal to 0, V of I comma 0 equal to 0. So 0 comma j is set to 0. So initially you can set all the elements to the 0. Next V of I comma 0, so is set to 0. So initially you can set these rows and columns. Okay, now we can fill the remaining blocks of this table. So first you can fill the 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5. After that 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5. Up to 4 5. You can fill this one. If you want to do this one, first of all you can start with the V of 1 1. If you want to fill this one V of 1 1, first of all you can calculate the j minus wi. J means 1. Wi means w1. So the w1 value is 2. This is minus 1 less than 0. So whenever it will be less than 0, at that time in that you can take the value of V of I minus 1 comma j. So that means V of I minus 1. So I value is 1. V of 1 minus 1 comma j value 1. So that means V of 0 comma 1. So in that if I take the V of 0 comma 1 value. So 0 comma 1 value is 0. So that means the V of 1 1 value is set to the 0. So you can put the value of 0. Now we can calculate the V of 1 2. So first you can calculate the j minus wi. J means 2 minus wi 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So whenever it is equal to 0, then we can apply the equation maximum of V of I minus 1 comma j comma V of I plus V of I minus 1 comma j minus wi. You can follow this one. So that means it will become under the maximum of V of I value is 1. 1 minus 1 comma j value 2 comma V of y. V of I means V of 1 plus V of 1 minus 1 comma j minus 2 minus w I means 1. You can take this one. So that means maximum of V of 0 comma 2 comma V1 plus V of 0 comma 2 minus W1 is 2. W1 value is 2. That means V of 0 comma 0. So in that if I take the maximum of 0 2. 0 2 value is 0 comma V of 1. So the value of 1 is comes under the 12. 12 plus V of 0 0. 0 0 means 0. So in that the maximum value is 12. So now we can fill with the 1 2 is 12. Now you can calculate the V of 1 3. First you can calculate the j minus wi. J equal to 3. W1 means 2. 1 greater than 0. So this is greater than or equal to 0. So at that time again you can apply the equation maximum of V of I, this one. That means in that you can apply the maximum of V of I minus 1 comma j comma V of I plus V of I minus 1 comma j minus wi. So that means this is comes from the maximum of V of I 1. 1 minus 1 0 j is 3 comma V of 1 plus V of 1 minus 1 comma 3 minus 2. So that means maximum of V of 0 comma 3 comma V1 plus V of 0 comma 1. So 0 3. 0 3 means 0 V1 12 plus 0 1 means 0. So that is 12. Okay, similarly you can apply the same process for the each and every row. You can now calculate the V of 1 4. So j minus w enter w1. W1 value is 2. So j minus 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, now we can apply the equation and we can calculate the value. So if we are applying this and calculate the value, that is 12. So you can fill the value with the 4. Now V of 1 5. J minus W1. J means 5. 5 minus 2. 3 greater than 0. So again you can apply the equation and calculate the value. That value is 12. So in that we can calculate the 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. After that you can calculate the 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5. So 2 1. So j minus W2. In that W2 value is 1. So 1 minus 1 0. If it is 0, then you can take the equation and calculate the value. This value is 10. And V of 2 2. J minus W2. J minus 2. W2 value is 1, that is 1 greater than 0. Again you can calculate the process and the value is 12. And V of 2, 3, J minus W2, 3 minus 1 greater than 0. So again you can calculate that one, the value is 22. V of 2, 4. 2, 4 means 4 minus 1 greater than 0. Calculate the value and it will give the 22. And V of 2, 5. J minus W2, 5 minus 1 greater than 0. Calculate the value, it will be 22. So in that we can calculate the value of 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Now calculate the value of 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5. So next we will calculate the V of 3, 1. So J means 1 and W3 value is 3. So 1 minus 3 is less than 0. If it is less than 0, in that you can apply the equation V of 5 minus 1 comma J. So that means V of 2 comma 1, that value is 10. So you can fill with 10. Next V of 3, 2. J minus W3. 2 minus 3 less than 0. Again you can apply this process and we are having the value is 12. V of 3, 3. J minus W3. 3 minus 3 0. If it is 0 at that time you can apply the equation, this equation. And within the equation and calculate the value. That value is 22. Next V of 3, 4. J minus W3. 4 minus 3 greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 you can apply the equation and calculate the value. That value is 30. Next 3, 5. 5 minus 3 greater than 0. So again you can apply the equation and calculate the value 32. So these are the values of third row. Now calculate the values of 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5. Now calculate the value of 4, 1. J minus W4. J means 1 and W4 value is 2. So 1 minus 2 less than 0. So in that you can use the equation E of 5 minus 1 comma J. That means the value is 10. So you can fill with 10. Next 4, 2. J minus W4. 2 minus 2 0. So again you can apply the equation and calculate the value. The value is 15. V of 4, 3. J minus W4. 3 minus 2 greater than 0. You can apply the equation and calculate the value. The value is 25. V of 4, 4. J minus W4. 4 minus 2. 2 greater than 0. So you can apply the equation and calculate the value. That value is 30. And 4, 5. 4, 5 means J minus W4. 5 minus 2, 3 greater than 0. You can apply the equation and calculate the value 37. So these are the values you can fill with the all this table. At that table the 37 comes under the board. Final total cost about this one. Using the 37, we can identify the what are the items are existed within the our knapsack. So now we can find out the what are the items are existed within that one. In that the 4, 7 is the final value 37. So the maximum value is 4, 5, that is the 37. So now compare the 4, 5 with the above value. So what is the above value you are having? Above value means in that you are having the 3, 5. So now compare the 3, 5 and 4, 5. 4, 5 is 37 and 3, 5 is 32. So 37 is not equal to 32. So the 4, 5 is not equal to 3, 5. So if it is not equal to, then you can select the item 4. So therefore 4 item is selected. After selecting the item, next in that the capacity of weight is 5 and the item 4 weight is 2. So you can reduce the 5 minus 2, that means 3. So the remaining balance is 3. So now you can identify the what is the next item. So now you can go to the V of 3, 3. So in that you are having balance 3. So you can directly go to the V of 3, 3. V of 3, 3 means value is 22. So now again you can compare this 22 with the upper value. Upper value means V of 2, 3. And in that 22 and 22 both are same. If it is both are same, at that time we cannot select the item 3. So now we can go to the item 2. Now compare this item 2. So V of 2, 3 comma V of 1, 3. So V of 2, 3 22 and V of 1, 3 is 12. So 22 is not equal to 12. If it is not equal to, then we can select the item 2. So the item 2 is selected and the item 2 value weight is 1. So in that we are having the remaining is 3. So 3 minus 1 equal 2. So the remaining weight is 2. Okay, now we can go to the 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1. That means V of 1, 2. You can compare the V of 1, 2. The V of 1, 2 is 12. And again you can compare with the above value. That means V of 0, 2. So 12 and 12 is not equal to 0. So at that time you can select the item 1. So the item 1 weight is 2. So remaining balance is 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the total is completed. So depending on that one, what are the items you are selecting? In that item 1, item 2 and item 4. Item 1, item 2 and item 4 are selected. So if you are taking the item 1 weight is 2 and item 2 weight is 1 and item 4 weight is 2. So total is 5. Our total capacity is 5. Now you can calculate the value, total value. So the value of item 1 is 12. Value of item 2 is 10. Value of item 4 is 15. So now calculate the total. This is 37. So we are having the goal is 37. The 37 is equal to 37. So that means in that the capacity 5 we are having the 3 items, item 1, 2, 4. So this is the process of the knapsack problem.